Is the dreaded too many requests error stopping you from exploring Tavit? Don't worry, traveler. We're here to help you get back in the game. First things first, the simplest solution is often the best. Completely close Genshin Impact, making sure it's not running in the background, then relaunch the game. This can often clear up temporary glitches causing the error. A shaky internet connection can also trigger this error. Run a speed test to check your upload and download speeds. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or switching to a more stable network. Ethernet connections are generally more reliable than Wi-Fi for gaming. Sometimes, the Genshin Impact servers are simply overloaded, especially after a new update. Check the official Genshin Impact website or social media channels for server status updates. If the servers are down, all you can do is wait for them to come back online. If you've tried everything and you're still seeing the too many requests error, it might be an account-specific issue. Contact Genshin Impact customer support, explain the problem, and provide them with your account details. They might be able to identify and resolve any underlying issues. That's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions has helped you fix the too many requests error and you're back to enjoying your adventure in Genshin Impact. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Genshin Impact tips and tricks.